How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you'll get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell.
Attention all units. We have a code 6 party failing to stop for police. Supervisor requesting units on non-priority calls. Switch over to tab 2 and monitor the chase.
Severe weather may come with gusts up 70 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include St. Mary's, Bradford, Ridgeway, Kane, Johnsonburg, Port Allegheny, Smethport, Wetmore, Shingle House, Petula, Wilcox, and Jean City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties: Elk and McKean.
What is this?
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, Jefferson County and west central Pennsylvania, central Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Clarion County and west central Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. At 9:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sandy to near Reimersburg, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Punxsutawney, Brookville, Reimersburg, Reynoldsville, Broadway, New Bethlehem, Sickesville, Falls Creek, East Brady, Rural Valley, Sligo, Big Run, Dayton, Somerville, Limestone, Rossiter, Hawthorne, Ernest, Marion Center, and Creekside. This includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 79 and 96. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties: Indiana and Jefferson. The National Weather Service.
Good Christ, another alert. This is also on Channel 7.
Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cameron County in north central Pennsylvania, northwestern Clinton County in north central Pennsylvania until 9:30 p.m.
That's a TOR.
At 9:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Stevenson Dam, moving east at 45 miles per hour. be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs. Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a
So
sturdy
my
building.
stupid ass forgot that I
Avoid
cannot
windows.
record
If you are
FM while using
outdoors,
my
in a
CarPlay.
mobile home, or in a vehicle,
Good to know.
move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. for the following counties. Cameron.
I think I saw it on FM.
Kettle Creek around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Specifically from mile markers 108 to 194. This includes Interstate 99 near mile marker 85. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Could not have timed that any better.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Columbiana, Ohio.
This is Channel 5.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Columbiana County and East Central Ohio, West Central Armstrong County in West Central Pennsylvania, Southern Butler County in West Central Pennsylvania, County in Western Pennsylvania until 12:45 a.m. At 9:42 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cranberry, Newcastle, Butler, East Liverpool, Beaver Falls, Minnetonka, East Palestine, Elwood City, Homaker, Glendora, New Brighton, Shanner, Northview, Beaver, Calcutta, Meridian, Zelienople, Rochester, Oleoville, Ford City, Seven Fields, and Meadowood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Weather bulletin located over Ole Bull State Park, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Latonia, Cedar Run, and Plate Run around 10 p.m. Argonne around 10:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Ski Sawmill Ski Area and Mansfield University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties: Clinton, Lycoming, Potter, and Tioga. The National Weather Service.
Swap radios, and I am on Channel 2.
Flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, western Indiana County in west central Pennsylvania, southern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, until 1:30 a.m. At 10:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Mount Lebanon, Bethel Park, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Monroeville, Cranberry, Moon Township, McMurray, McKeesport, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Canlinsburg, Minnetka, Vandergrift, Apollo, Avella, Gastonville and Shaler Township. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Strong thunderstorms.